this door, just pop this open and you can access the taillight here. You need to disconnect the connector. If you take a straight blade screwdriver, underneath there's a little blue tab that's going to slide back. When you slide that tab back, that releases the connector, just like that. Slide that out of the way. And use a 10mm socket. Take these two nuts off. Now just grab the light assembly and just slide it out. It might stick a little bit. You can take the back off right here. There's two little tabs, and this slides up. And you can replace these bulbs, twist and pull up. The bulbs for these are a P21W. Just line the little tabs up, push down, and twist. Do the same for the other one. Now line those up. And lock it down in place. Now line the taillight up. And put the two nuts on. And tighten them down, just snug. Line the connector up and push it in place and close the door.